Still thinking in Hindi before you speak English? Well, stop. This is what is making you not become fluent in English. And I, over here, I'm going to give you 20 simple everyday use English sentences which are going to help you speak English naturally and fluently. All you need to do is repeat after me. Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana Arora and I am a language trainer, and today I'm back with another English language learning video which is very suitable especially for beginners. So in today's video I am going to follow 20 English sentences which would be on the theme of morning speaking sentences and night speaking sentences. That means the conversations and the sentences that you require for your morning routine and for your night routine. All you need to do is you need to listen first of all when I speak those sentences, and then you have to repeat those sentences after me. And this technique is known as shadowing technique, which has been proven to be the best technique of becoming fluent in English in a very short period of time. So do watch this video till the end, because at the end I am going to give you the link to the PDF where all these 20 English sentences would be available for you, and they'll also have their Hindi translations. So let's get started. The first theme that we have is our morning routine. So the first sentence with us is I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. Now you repeat. Try repeating a bit faster, like I wake up at 6 a.m. Perfect. Now let's move to the sentence number 2. I hope now you know what you're supposed to do. So I will speak the sentence 2 times. You will listen to me. Then you will repeat it once slowly and the second time a bit faster, which will show that you're becoming fluent. So let's move on to the sentence number 2. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. It's not teeth, it's teeth. Teeth is the plural of tooth. So I brush my teeth. It's on you to repeat. Speak bit faster. Third sentence, I take a bath. I take a bath. I take a bath. Perfect. Number 4, I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. See, comb is written as C-O-M-B, but that B we do not pronounce. So, I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Try a bit faster. I hope you're having fun while practicing English such way. I make my bed. I make my bed. This means that I set the bed sheet and everything. I sort out my bed. So for that, the sentence that we use is I make my bed. I make my bed. Now listen carefully. I have breakfast. It's not breakfast, it's breakfast. 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 I have breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. And the last one in this category is I leave for work. So see, when we are practicing speaking sentences in such a way, what happens is our brain starts memorizing these sentences, and also it starts following that natural pace in which we are supposed to speak English. So that means you are here not only learning these sentences, but you are eventually becoming fluent as well. So this shadowing technique is actually the best way to learn any of the language if you want to become fluent. Now this was the part 1 in which we learned the morning routine sentences. Now let's move to the night routine sentences. Number 1, I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Listen carefully. I did not say I am going to bed. That is also correct, but we contract it. We make it shorter to sound more fluent. So that's why I am becomes am. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. And I will becomes I'll. I will becomes what? I'll. Repeat after me. I'll. I'll. So the sentence would be I'll talk to you tomorrow. Instead of saying I will talk to you tomorrow, we'll say I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you tomorrow. You people are going great. Trust me, just keep on repeating the sentences and this is going to become a way much easier than you expect it to be. Please set the alarm. Please set the alarm. Please set the alarm. And listen carefully, it's the alarm, not the alarm. And the reason for that is alarm starts with the vowel. So whenever after the there is a vowel, the is pronounced as the. And whenever it's a consonant, it's pronounced as the. So here alarm starts with A. So this is the alarm. Please set the alarm. Repeat after me. Faster. Perfect. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. I know this sentence is a bit long, but you can do it. Don't forget to lock the door. Perfect. Now this is a question mark, so listen carefully how I speak it. Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Now over here when I'm speaking, there is a question mark sound as well. Did you brush your teeth? Please turn off the fan. Please turn off the fan. And here you can see we are saying the, not the, because fan starts with F and F is not a vowel, it's a consonant. So it's the. Please switch off the fan. Repeat after me. I'm sure you must be so proud of you right now because we are close to the end of this video. We are left with just a few sentences. Keep on going till the end. I'm feeling cold. Repeat after me. Let's sleep now. Let us becomes let's. Let's. The way I am becomes am. Similarly, let us becomes let's. So this is let's sleep now. Let's sleep now. Let's sleep now. Repeat after me. Perfect. So now we are left with only two sentences. Let's club them into one single sentence because that is more fluent. Good night, sweet dreams. Bit faster. Good night, sweet dreams. I hope you had fun while learning and practicing with this video, and if you liked it then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also I am attaching a link in which you'll be directed to the PDF in which all these 20 sentences are written with their Hindi translation, and this PDF you can save with you. You can even share it with your friends because this is actually going to help you in memorizing the sentences and practicing it. But I would advise you to practice it with the shadowing technique the way we did in today's video. Keep learning and keep practicing English. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.